Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to EBM Scholars. Today we are making salad which we call kachumbari. Kachumbari is one of the best salad in East Africa, and this is the salad which I want to show you, and I want to teach you how to make it, because many people are usually asking me, how do I make this kind of salad? It is a mixture of so many good stuff which all are natural food. So I'm going to explain to you how I end up making this kind of salad. So I decided to make some preparation of certain items. Here I have cabbage, and I have carrots. Yes, Missy. We have carrots and we have cabbage here. And here we have lemon. We use lemon juice. Some people like to put pepper. I will show you how do I put on mine. And usually we have bell pepper, and bell pepper, I have red bell pepper and I have green bell pepper. And here I have tomatoes. And here I have onions, and I'll explain to you why I put these kind of onions into the hot water. I will explain to you while I'll be making. So what I usually do, how to cut it the easiest way, I use this one and I use this one. But either way, you can use just simple knife and you can just be able to make. So for instance, the carrots, various ways. You can use this way. You see, you just get these small kind of pieces like that way. Or you can use this one. This one I put on number 3, depending on what kind of size you want. I will show you how I make it. So depending on how you want to do. So still, this one they come into rounds. So either way, you choose which one you prefer. So there are various ways, but also you can use just some people they cut like this way direct, or some people they are good into cutting this way. I'm not good that way, so I don't want to cut my fingers. So the same way, cutting cabbage, you can use this one, you can use a shredder, or you can use just your normal knife. Either all of these you can use that kind of way. So what I simply do, because I've already made this kind of preparation, I'm going to mix here and you'll see what is going. So there is no a proper way which one should you start mixing here. There is no like this is the formula. In the end, all will be mixed together. But usually, obviously, the lemon juice has to go the last one. So you just mix everything, as you can see. Yeah. Gloves. Yeah, you have to wear gloves, Missy. So there is no proper way which one should you start, which one should you finish. Either of these one you can just use to mix. Okay. So this one is the carrots. I said I will explain to you. The onions. I will explain to you if you want to eat. Wait. Okay. Yeah, so there are different ways. I prefer to use hot water. I wash this one with the I just squeeze them with the salt. The purpose is to reduce the onion juice. Some people prefer it personal, and the majority of people, the real salad or the real kachumbari, we prefer not to put it that way. So if you take it out, it tastes much better. You see, even my daughter Claire here is enjoying eating them. So they are not that much kind of sour or whatever people don't like it, they taste. So that makes it very easy to make the salad or kachumbari in other way. So then I come to mix this one. So in the end, as I said, no proper way which one should you start first. Then I come to mix everything together. As you can see. So in general, what do we mix here? We use onions, we use bell pepper, and I use red and green bell pepper. You can just use one color. Some people they prefer red, green, the yellow orange one, that one. My wife Marie likes the orange yellow one. I don't much, but it's okay. You can put cabbage, you can say. Some people they can put raw mangoes. It's okay. But what you have to do, don't put those olive oil or any other kind of oil. Salad needs to be a little bit more healthy wise. So don't put some oil in it. So this is kind of salad. And then we are going to put lemon juice. and this will be, so it depends like how much do you want. So for this kind of content, I used 2 onions. I used as you can see, I'm using 3 lemon juice. I'm going to make 3 lemons making juice here, and I'm going to I used 4 bell peppers, 3 which are green, 1 is red. 2 I used 2 I used the 2 onions, a little bit, half of the cabbage, 3 carrots. Yeah, so things of that nature. And this will be just overall the total number of minutes you can use to record this kind of to create this kind of salad is not a lot. Then you can put a little bit of salt, depending how much you prefer.
Mama, why is it?
So then you put salt. This will be all of it. So when I talk about pepper, so depending on how you prefer. So because sometimes I'm making this one for the kids, you can see they can be eating. Some people prefer a lot of pepper, some people do not. So I just cut this one and I leave that one the whole way. So if you want chili, whatever, you will take this one on your plate while you are taking, but otherwise just give that kind of flavor just of the pepper. But basically you are not going to eat if you don't prefer. It doesn't going to hurt you at all. So this is kind of the best salad you can ever have, and you can see after making, how do you eat this one. So you can eat just plain like this way. This will be one of the way many people prefer to eat with rice. Some people prefer to eat with the barbecue, and by barbecue I mean you make some sort of what you call mishkaki, which is some sort of meat ash kebab. So this one I'm going to grill it later. As you can see, we have a lot of this one, so we are going to make with ash kebab or mishkaki, so people can be able to eat this kind of salad. So this is kachumbari, Tanzanian or East African salad. So when we talk about salad, we are not talking about lettuce, we are talking about this kind of salad which we call kachumbari, the best ever you ever have. And those are the ways on how you can prepare the best salad you can enjoy, you and your family. Healthy wise, you don't need to use oil. This one with mishikaki, the best combination. You see the kids are happy, enjoying this kind of freshy kind of life. So enjoy. If you have any question, please go to my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/EBMScholars, to get a lot of these kind of videos and instruction on how to make kachumbari, how to prepare everything. All the best to you. Enjoy. And it's me, Ernest Makulilo. Goodbye.